Hello again, YouTube. The video you are about to watch is my unboxing, setting up of this beautiful mic that you see here. I'm very excited about it. I also am excited to know how I sound right now because every single white noise possible is on right now in my house. So if I sound good right now, I'll be golden. I can film whenever I want. That'll be great. Like legit, I'm just tired. But when I went to edit the original take of this video, the sound quality for my phone microphone was so bad, it just finally quit the bed. Quit the bed? What is that saying? Anyway. That I have to reshoot the intro and the earbud review. So this is the intro. Hello. Here is a silent set to music montage of me unboxing and setting up this mic, and then I'll talk about the microphone once it's all set up. I did that already a couple days ago. I'm doing this again. Anyway, it's been a long day. So here's past me unboxing a microphone. Found my thingy. There's the USB to whatever that is converter. So we're trying the microphone and to do an accurate test. This is the phone microphone. Then we're going to see if this works. It lit up like it works. How do we sound? Do we sound sultry? Should I do ASMR? No, I won't. I want to sing. Alright, audio test done. I'm going to just mess around too much otherwise. My beautiful new microphone. I love it. I love it. It is going to open so much for me to just keep using my iPhone and to have this new mic. And it's so cool, and I just love it so much. Where's the thingy? Okay. So, in order to get it to work on the iPhone, I don't know if the lo-fi is too high right now. But anyway, so to get this microphone to work on the iPhone, I already had this from when I was trying to make a bunch of different memory cards work for no actual reason other than I'm a trial and error person, even with technology. So I have this Lightning USB camera adapter I got on the Apple website, and it changes the USB to the Apple plug. It did not work with memory cards. There's not enough power to it, but somehow, magically, it works with the microphone. How neat. So that's going to open a lot of doors for me. I think I'm going to do a reaction video if I can get the baby to stay asleep and Gwen to stay in her room. That will be fun. And double plus bonus, I'm using the box, the inside of the box where the foam is, to hold my camera, because I can't find my camera stand right now. I haven't been able to find it in weeks. Don't know where it is. That's not unusual. This actually allows me to look at the camera a lot easier. Also, just for funsies for this part, so I can feel like a real YouTuber, I set the camera resolution to 1080 and I'm using the front camera. So I probably shouldn't smile like that. You can see how bad my teeth are. But anyway, I freaking love this thing. I'm so excited. Just a little unboxing, a little review. It's future me again. We're going to talk about the earbuds now. So, turn this down just a little bit more. One of the reasons I picked the JLab microphone is because I already had these JLab earbuds that I love to death. They're the first Bluetooth earbuds I've ever had, and that's not the reason I love them. I was expecting to these were going to be a transition earbud. I had every intention. These were like $18 when I got them. Maybe I got them on sale, I don't remember. Here's the price now, if I can find them, on Amazon. I'll put it here somewhere. But I've had these for almost 2 years, or just about 2 years. I've dropped them in water. I've accidentally washed them in the washer. I love them so much. And it has this little doodad. It fits in any USB slot, and then it just tucks right there. It's all snug, and I love the feel of their materials. Like, I'm very sensory. I just love them. And then these are so stinking comfortable. I love them. They have fallen out of my head and into the sink at work, but that's only because I'm literally head bobbing from sink to sink, and it gets steamy and a little sweaty. But working out, I've never had them fall out. Walking, I've never ran with them, like on a treadmill. Maybe they'd fall out then, but they don't fall out when I'm on the trampoline. And they just, something about the angle of this just fits right in. And I have really small, I have a really hard time with earbud type headphones. But they fit right in. It's like noise canceling. I don't even know if they were intended to be noise canceling, but they are. I love them for that reason too. But then, you see this kind of square shape, and you're like, well, that's not going to fit in my ear. Well, it's not supposed to. What it does, is it just kind of, I don't shove it in your ear. It just rests comfortably on the ridge. See, it just kind of sits on there like a little shelf, and they're so comfortable. I always want music to resonate, and even though earbuds have a noise limit on my phone, I can't get them as loud as I want them, I can feel the music pretty close to how I would with other, and probably not. I want those big, I want the big puffy. I want to do this. My big studio headphones died like 2 years ago. That's probably why I got these. Anyway, I just love them. The battery lasts, like when they're charged, it lasts forever. And then the charge on this lasts like forever, like days. And then I love it just because it has this little magnets, and they just go kapoop. You see that? It just kind of like sucks it. And like I've gotten this part wet too by accident. I think I washed this whole thing when I said it got washed. And that's why I love this, because this whole thing is water resistant, and if you keep it in your purse or your pocket a lot, you'll get a little bit of lint buildup. But you just hit that with a Q-tip and some rubbing alcohol in there. Same with these. I've done it an uncountable amount of times to keep them clean. But yeah, look. They're charging now because I took them out so many times. Aren't these cool? I love them. I got them at Walgreens, but I don't know if Walgreens carries them anymore. But like I said earlier, I showed you guys the Amazon price, just in case you wanted to get them. But that's it. Thanks for joining me for this fancy electronics review. Nice switcheroo from household things. And I'm really excited about the opportunities this microphone will allow me. Please subscribe. I'm trying to get monetized. Okay, thanks. Bye. Alright, thanks for coming. Join me next time as we explore things together. Have a wonderful whatever time of day it is, and I'll see you next time.